Hello and welcome everyone on my channel. In this video, I Pratibha Jha would be talking about the truth of custodial death in India. So let's begin with this video. We totally try to ignore or avoid certain topics in society, and gradually that ignorance or avoidance later on becomes acceptance in the society. We have seen in various movies and animes that about police, the role played by police, in which it's okay to do violence under the police custody and fake encounters, and we as an audience encourage this by applauding it. So today in this video I will be talking about the custodial death, rights of an arrested person, and what all landmark judgment our Supreme Court of India has taken in this regard. So let's begin with this. So in US, George Floyd's death and Jairaj and Phoenix death in India has raised not just many questions but also raised concern regarding custodial death in India. And there has been talk about third degree punishment given by police, and the debate has started again, and a huge protest by US death of George Floyd has made Congress introduce police reform bill, and as well as there is a demand for national database for police misconduct, in which whatever misconducts done by police need to be observed and recorded in that national database. Not only this, there has been anti-torture bill which was proposed in the year 2010. Yes, it's not something new, but from 2010 the thought about this is still continuing. So we know that India is a signatory of UN, and UN convention has already a bill, that is UN Convention Against Torture 1975. Now, India being signatory can apply the bills which are passed by the UN, and to apply any law by UN in India, our parliament has to make a law for it. So for that, anti-torture bill 2010 was proposed. Now, this prevention of torture bill 2010, it has talked about torture given by public servants in various forms, and the definition of torture has not just been defined, but it has been expanded well. So once it has been passed by the Lok Sabha, it further went to Rajya Sabha, and in Rajya Sabha various recommendations and suggestions were given, but unfortunately that bill is still pending, and there has also been said in 2017 that various changes need to be brought in Indian Penal Code, Indian Evidence Act, Criminal Procedure Code. Now it really seems that difficult, right? And that you need to totally transform your criminal codes and laws. So, but this is what was recommended in 2017, that we need to transform our IPC, our Indian Evidence Act, and the CRPC. Not only, and this was done by our Law Commission. So I would be talking about the data that would be really astonishing for you. In 2019, 1700 plus cases were reported of custodial death alone. Now this is massive, isn't it? So we really need to think about custodial reforms and rights of an arrested person. It should be a matter of high concern. Do tell your comments and suggestions in the comment section below. And so with this, I would be talking about a landmark judgment of Supreme Court of India. This is a case of Rudal Shah versus State of Bihar, and this is a case of 1983 in which the person was imprisoned for 14 years and the writ of habeas corpus was demanded for his immediate release. So it was, first time initiation taken by the Supreme Court in which the fundamental rights and the rights of the arrested person was discussed thoroughly. So with this, I would like to conclude my video, and if you like my video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And if you want to make any suggestions and comments, please go forward and do that in my comment section. Thank you so much and have a great day.